Managing vehicle finance operations isn't just complex, it's chaotic. Approvals are slow, disbursements are delayed, and opportunities are lost. Financed vehicles move, but tracking them doesn't. No clarity on stock or exposure. Collections become reactive, overdues pile up, and risk increases every day. Decisions are made on incomplete data, and control slips away. What if you had complete control at every stage? Introducing Moiboo, a complete platform built for vehicle finance operations. Manage loans seamlessly from application to disbursement in one system. Track every financed vehicle across dealers, yards, and locations in real time. Stay ahead of collections with automated tracking and timely follow-ups. Make faster, smarter decisions with complete visibility into your portfolio. Empower your team with tools that simplify operations and eliminate manual work. From complexity to complete control, Moiboo transforms how vehicle finance businesses operate. Reduce risk, improve cash flow, scale your finance operations with Moiboo.